I think the biggest challenge that women face in finance and economics is being underestimated.
Economics is always seen as a very hard topic that requires a high level of intelligence.
As a woman, it's quite hard to have your voice heard. You're almost at a loss sometimes when you are up against men who are going for the same job as you.
It's a really difficult process applying for jobs.
You don't have that experience. So for me, looking into a job without a mentor, I just didn't really know where to start.
Mentorship programs are fantastic, I think, not just for mentees, but also for mentors. I think it's a great way for both parties to learn and develop.
Having a mentor was like having a therapist.
Having someone that you can go to ask for advice, I think it's really valuable.
My mentor supported me in anything that I needed for. So not only academically, but when I was going for roles, we did mock interviews together, we ran through a presentation together, and she was just basically a support system who'd gone through the process, and everything she gave me I used to the best of my ability.
A mentor and mentee relationship, when it's successful, is great. Being a mentor for Claudia was fantastic. I think there was a lot that I learned from the relationship as well, and we've developed a good friendship coming out of that mentoring relationship.
The reason why I wanted to have a mentor is because I thought it would be a great opportunity to actually speak to someone who's been through the same struggles as mine. I learned so much from her experience, the struggles that she faced before and she's still facing. I could relate to that, and it was just good to see that she achieved so much. It was really, truly inspiring actually.
Having a mentor is a great way to develop your career, to learn new skills and to network. If anyone's thinking about getting a mentor, I strongly advise it. I think there's a lot of value that it will bring both to you and to your mentor.
I think it's definitely filled me with a lot more confidence. It pushed me to get on with finding a job and figuring out what I wanted to do, and I don't think I would have done that so soon if I hadn't have joined the programme.